Hello everyone. I'm going to do the next tutorial for the existing structure of our building. So the last tutorial I talked about 3, 4, and 5 and finishing up that exterior curtain wall. This, and then we've already done the columns. We did that before. And now I'm going to concentrate on these interior partition types. I was hoping to do this online in, a live lecture, but I realized tomorrow I'm going to be in person and I would rather that be a full work day. So I'm going to have everybody watch this lecture, and then tomorrow is going to be a full work day. And you can watch this lecture tonight or tomorrow during class. So we're going to start with this interior partition types. Number one, existing. So we're going to do the inside core. I talked about the core of the building. We're going to do the inside core of the building. And they're both 5 and 6 inches wide. There are a few that are thinner and possibly thicker. Just use 5 and 6 inches. I think if you use those two, it'll be fine. If there are some that look like they're 4 inches, just use the 5-inch and treat them as if they're 5-inch. So you're going to need 2 wall types for this. We're going to be making a SC interior existing, and then, oh, that should already exist. Sorry. So the SC interior existing 6-inch should already exist because of that knee wall that you made around the exterior, right? And then we need to make an SC exterior 5. Before I start drawing, I'm going to go to properties and make sure that I am on my existing phase. And then to draw them, I want to offset my base by 0 because I want them on the ground. I want the unconnected height at 15 feet, or top constraint can be at level 2, same thing. And then for the location line, I want finish face interior. Do not do centered line. You can do finish face exterior. You can do that core face interior, whatever. Just don't do center lined. And then we want to do, we want to outline the dark brown post-shade areas. So I'll go over that in a second. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to make those walls. So I already have my SC interior existing 6-inch, and I have that because of that knee wall that goes around the whole building inside. So I'm just going to start with this one, and I'm going to do edit type, duplicate, and then SC interior existing, and then I'm going to do 5-inch. Get rid of that 2. And then for the width, I need to change it to 5 inches, but it's grayed out right here. So what I need to do is go into structure and edit the structure. And then right here in the black area, I just change that to 5 inches. And now it says 5 inches right there. And I'm good to go with a 5-inch interior existing wall. So we say okay to that. Again, so I'm on my floor plan right now, not in any kind of command. I'm going to go down and make sure my phase is existing, which it is. And then go back up again. And then we want to do these existing interior walls. So the existing interior walls are anything that's on here that's pochade. So pochade means that it has this solid hatch inside, okay? So we are going to, and I'm not going to do it all, I'll just show you a little bit. I'm going to go to my, start with my interior 5-inch. It's 0 offset. And see, this is the last thing I did was 3 feet high. So I want to make sure that that's 15 feet high, unconnected, or I can make it up to level 2, which is also 15 feet high. Either way, it's fine. Okay. And then it changed that to 15 feet. And then this is our location line. I'm going to do finish face interior. You can use any of these. It just kind of depends on where you start and how it hinges, but don't use wall center line. Okay. And I'm just going to start, I'll just start right here. So remember, as you're drawing, that we're putting doors in later, right? So we're just going right through the doors. And I'm just going to trace around everything that's 5 inches. And when you get to these dark spots, just kind of do what you can. I'm going to go straight here. And they don't have to be, see, like this is a 6-inch wall right there. So I'm going to stop that there. I'm going to start again. Oopsie. Start again right there. Oh, that's a 6-inch wall. OMG. See, this is one of those, oh, yeah. 5-inch wall. This is one of those walls that it looks like it's pretty thin. I don't know, 3 inches, 4 inches. I'm just going to pretend that it's a 5-inch wall. And again, I'm going to move to my 6-inch wall. Again, we're not building this building. So get as accurate as you can. So here's my 6-inch wall. So I'll just continue on with this for my 6-inch wall, blah, blah, blah. I want to show you, I want to get to a point, and I can just hit escape once and I'm still in the command. I can go find a different place to start. Okay. There. Again, I just hit escape. I'm still in the command. So when you find these shade areas, oopsie, just to outline them like that. Okay, so here I'll do that again. I'll start down here. So instead of like doing a full pochade, no, what do I want to do here? Start right there. There. I'm just outlining it. Okay. Cancel. Okay. There we go. So that's what you're going to do with all of these, all of this, 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 all of this. Okay. All of that. I'll talk about that in a second. All of that. Okay. The stall, you're not going to do right now. Okay. So do everything around. You can do that. You can do these back walls. the actual stall walls don't do. Okay, so that is going to be how you do number 1. Okay, so I'm going to end this tutorial now and then do another tutorial for number 2 demo walls, which are those toilet partition walls. Okay, thank you. More to come.